Hello guys, how are you doing? How are you holding up? This is going to be the product review that I told you about Wednesday. Now, I'm doing this Thursday, okay? Let me slide you back a bit. There we go. And this is the street tacos that you get at Kroger Deli. It is by Fiesta Grande. I just know it is Fiesta Mucho Bueno. It's good. I mean, really good. And at $8.99, you figure that's about $4.50 per person. Not a bad deal. Now you have everything in here. Yes, I've pretty much shaken it up, as always. You got a little green sauce. You got your typical pico de gallo. You got a lime. You got chicken. Now, you do need to warm the chicken up a bit. So that's what we're going to do right now. Kind of warm it up a little, and then we will be able to assemble our tacos. Now, Antonio likes it in the taco form, the tortilla. Personally, I'm digging the taco salad thing. We had this Tuesday. Yeah, it was Tuesday we had it, and it was delicious. It tastes more authentic than anything you get anywhere else. So, and really, if you figure how much you would pay at one of these restaurants, that's quite a savings there. I'm going to take this little lime, kind of, I don't know, freshen up, kind of spruce up the chicken a bit. This chicken's fully cooked. That's a good thing. And you cannot see, and I didn't realize it. My apologies. You just get this warmed up. It smells absolutely incredible. It's got a nice spice to it. I squeeze that lime. Kind of, you know, wake up the flavors a bit. This is good for a quick meal. Blue Apron, Home Chef, all those things, they don't have anything on this. It's about the same, really, price-wise. Now you can take and use the taco shells, because you do get the taco shells with this. You get everything you need. Your cheese, your shredded cheese. You get your taco shells. These in here. You get your cabbage. There's green, purple, and cabbage and carrots. You get your sauce. I guess you're supposed to mix them together. I'm not sure, but hey, personally, I'm not digging that.
You washed the pan, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
I kind of wiped it down. And that is all you gotta do to the chicken. Now, shut that off. Alright, I'm going to shut you off for a second so Antonia can assemble hers. And I'll assemble my taco salad because I like the taco salad instead of having a lot of shell. Alright guys, there we go. You will see a picture of Antonia's plate. Now, this green sauce, I just tried this. It is good. It's cilantro, garlic, lime, onion. It's just really good. I was really surprised. Yeah, I use sour cream. I even tried the pico de gallo sauce, which means beak of the rooster. So, yeah. It's so good. You got all the flavors. You got chilies, the tomato, the raw onion, which I'm not a fan of raw onion, but that's good. I guess if you let this sit overnight, it would be absolutely delicious. But overall, if you wanted to stretch this, you could add more protein with beans. You could add rice, or put rice and beans together. And there was a restaurant in Tavares, Florida that took yellow rice and would have mixed vegetables in it. It was so good. But that's it, right there. I will see you guys later.